and Labrador. We won't have enough people in Ontario, in Western Canada. We will not have enough people for all the jobs that are going to be created in this great country. So one of the problems is mismatching. We see areas of the country where there are jobs available, but people don't have the skills